everybody, Christina here. Y'all will not believe what I found when I came home one day. My cat Sugar was sitting on my chair and my laptop was open and she was typing on my laptop. And that's when I found out that my cat has a blog. And you know what? At first, I was kind of betrayed because why wouldn't she tell me that? Why wouldn't you, my precious little cat, tell me you have a blog? But then when I saw her blog, I was very impressed. Sugar told me herself that she's only been using the internet for maybe like 2 or 3 months, and she could already make a blog. And she does that with Adobe Express. So in this video, Sugar and I are gonna be showing you guys how to make a blog very easy with Adobe Express. Sugar's blog will be up for you guys to view as well. Now, let's hear from Sugar. So this is what Sugar's blog looks like. She has this title card or the landing page, and she added her own title and description, and I see that she customized her own font. And when I scroll, she added a photo of herself and also added her own block of text and images. So that way when the person scrolls through her blog, they are basically almost like reading a storybook, and we can see that she had customized her own captions, her own body text, and little mini headers. She was able to add in GIFs, and she's using different layouts as well and putting together picture collages. So we can see how it looks here on desktop. So let's learn how to make our own blog. So getting started, I am an Adobe Express web page. You can open this in your browser. You're going to hit this purple circle over here as always, and we're going to go to web page, and we can see that it has these different options. We're just going to hit blog, and of course you can always choose your own template if you want, or you can hit create your own, which I'm going to do for this video since that's what Sugar did. Up here I'm just going to rename this web page file. Now I just want to add a photo in the background. I'm just going to hit this plus button right here and hit photo, and I'm going to upload from my device because I have some photos that I want to share. And now I have my landing card photo, and I am pretty pleased with how it turns out. Right now I just want to edit the font and basically just my whole template. So up here I am going to go to this magic wand, and it says themes, and here we can see it has my themes, Adobe Express themes. So if you want to choose one that's already there, you can totally do that, but I want to make my own theme. Now that we've landed on this page, we can see that it just has this. Do not worry, this is just a preview to show you what your template looks like so far, but not what your actual blog looks like as it is. So it didn't delete my photo, it didn't delete my title, this is just what it's previewing as. First thing I'm going to do is just edit my title, and we can choose a different banner style or none at all, and I can even change the colors as well. I think I'm going to leave mine white for now, and we can change the font of our title text right here, and we can scroll and find one that we prefer. And don't forget to also change your subtitle text if you want it to match the rest of your text. And now that I have my title edited, I can scroll down and see what I want to make changes to my heading and body text. So heading 1 is this title right here. Like before, I can change the banner style. I think I'm gonna go with that one. I can change the color of the text and the color of the shape. So that would be these little lines right here. Now I'm just going to change the font to match my title. And now I can change my paragraph text. I can even change the way that quotes look, which right now this is the default one. If I want it to look maybe like this, now I have that option. I can also change that text. I can also change the font of that as well. And as we scroll for our preview, we can see the different things that it's previewing for us. So when I scroll down here and I see these types of options for the photos, it'll show me what that looks like. Like right here, the inline text is a different font, and I just want it to match with the rest of the font. That way it makes it consistent. I also want the photos to kind of jump out like that, so I'm glad that that's an option. If I ever wanted to add a caption, I still want it to match the rest of my font, so I'm gonna make sure that I make those changes real quick. And so now I have my template ready. I'm just gonna hit save, and now my template is ready to use. I can start editing and adding in my own content, you will see that in the next video. Thanks for watching.